Here we
Moms
go.
have a lot to do between soccer practice and meetings. It gets stressful, but moms need something to relieve stress. But what? They don't have time for massages and bubble baths.
Oh, so true.
We have a solution. Everlasting, oh God, they need something quick and easy that can go wherever they go. What about bubble wrap? Well, bubble wrap runs out quickly and creates a lot of trash.
Well, we have a solution. Everlasting bubble wrap. Everlasting bubble wrap inflates itself, and here's how it works. There's little sensors inside each bubble that can tell when it's popped and it blows air back into the bubble within 3 seconds.
Moms can also conveniently cut everlasting bubble wrap to take it on the go. The best part, it comes with a 5-year warranty.
Oh, it's $5 for a 3-yard rule and $1 for a 2x12 sheet. Now I'm not to relax. Oh, 20 by 12.
Where can we buy these at?
Target.
Our mom shop.
Yeah.
When you pop a bubble, how do you seal the popped bubble for it to inflate itself again?
Magic.
Awesome. You marketed magic.
Nice. I don't
Okay.
exactly know the science behind it, but
Okay. You know, all you know that it works, and you're here to sell it.
yes.
Okay. Mom's on the go, huh? All right. I'm good. What would you wrap in that again?
What?
What do you wrap in the bubble wrap?
Nothing. Pop it.
Oh, that's a stress reliever. Oh, so it's
You know, like a stressful
Yeah, like for moms that are very stressed.
Hey.
or teacher. Can't wrap our children in it.
You can,
But,
but it's nice.
but also,
Keep them
saying,
still.
After they pop themselves, and they'll inflate again.
Or it could keep them busy though, so really therapy for moms and
That's true. All right. Cool.
Good job.